Hi and welcome to the latest tutorial from me, Alexandra at AJ Edgar Makeup Artist. We have today in the chair Maz from Ulvants, England.
Hi!
Ulvants, England is luxury home fragrances, so beautiful reed diffusers and luxury scented candles. How are you doing today?
Good, thank you, yes.
You've been busy.
Yeah, exactly. Been really busy.
Maz and I have just been having a tutorial with the fabulous Andy, who is standing behind this camera as we speak, in how to, what are we learning?
How to get more views using Instagram stories.
How to get more views using Instagram stories.
Yeah.
So we're all skilled up, aren't we, Maz?
Yeah, so I've been busy practicing. In the meantime, I'll give it another go tomorrow.
We can check the stats after you finish.
Yeah, we can check the stats after the shoot.
Oh yeah,
But I hope it works, if not I'm done.
Exactly. I'll have to feedback everyone whether you did alright or not.
I am using Perfecting Liquid Foundation in Neutral Beige on you. And I've already used a pea-size amount of the makeup primer, which feels just like velvet. It's beautiful. And my lovely flat brush, and that just comes straight across the complexion. I often say, remember, it's like a heart. So you just need the product and blend out just to even up the skin tone. Can start to hear people arriving upstairs.
Yeah.
How long have you been modelling, Maz?
8.5 years.
Tell us the
Quite a
story, because I know this story, but tell us the story of how you got involved. It was through, was it Sunderland?
Yeah, I saw someone that I know who was doing modelling, and I just decided one day I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I decided to give a studio a call, and it was a studio in Sunderland. It's closed now, and they said to me, why don't you come in for a little, you know, kind of like a session for an hour. And I went in, and then that was it. After then I was modelling pretty much like a few times a week. I mean, it's less now, with obviously with my work and commitments and the business
And with your new
the brand.
business, yeah. Because that will be coming up a year old, Ulvants.
Yeah, exactly. Since I've launched in July.
Ooh, do you know what I have on my gorgeous counter? I actually have the Ulvants diffuser, and it's Divine Fig.
This one here is Mediterranean Fig. It's one of the popular ones for summer.
That's my favourite. And upstairs I bought Joe the photographer sandalwood.
Yeah, exactly. But yes, you can definitely buy it online, www.ulvants.co.uk, and make sure you give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram as well.
Awesome. It's beautiful. So I've just applied the Prime and Proper Eye Makeup Primer, and again, wee flat brush straight onto the back of my hand and over Maz's eyelids. Now, instead of using a bone colour all over the eye, because we've got quite a sort of pink, pretty pastel look tonight, very elegant, but we're still going very glamorous. Instead of the bone coloured look, it's really pretty to use pink. So I've just gone straight in with Quartz, which is a lovely matte shade, and that just goes all over Maz's eyelid, right up to her eyebrows. There we go. And again, these shadows are really creamy, and they have something called eye bright, so they're packed with antioxidants as well. So everything, it's kind of an extension of skincare, Maz, these cosmetics, but the results are just absolutely gorgeous. There we go.
Yeah, the foundation feels lovely on.
Doesn't it?
Yeah,
really
it's very, like,
light.
creamy, yeah.
See how easy you guys at home this look is? I'm actually using now Ballet, which is the blusher, because I just want it to be so elegant and pretty and soft. Do you see how I'm just bringing it right up and out as well? The Real Conceal Liquid Concealer. Maz, you're gonna love this concealer. It's one of my favourites.
I like concealer.
Oh, me too. This is, well, I used to always use the By Terry, remember?
Yeah.
And I loved it, but this is it's just fabulous. Look right up for me, please, darling. And you just want to bring that under the eye. And don't worry about being so sparing with it. This is creamy. It's like eye cream almost. You know, it's really going to hydrate around the eye. So some people will use a tiny bit and they're trying to just use that a bit more and blend it through. This in the summer's all I've had on my skin. Can't wait to see you in your outfit. You guys will get to see it as well. We'll get a nice shot of her at the end when she's all ready. With all these curlers out. Is it like sitting on camera with your curlers in?
I know. It's good though.
It's great to just share these things and
Yeah, definitely.
look how smooth and lovely that complexion is. Isn't that gorgeous?
Lush. Love it.
Good. Then, I want to go into this palette. This is the Starlight Glow palette. And on the brush, off the brush, because you can always add more to the complexion, but you can't take it away. Sometimes do that with blusher, I end up, you know, oh, I forgot to do that. Top of the ear and down. And around the temples, and down, and around the jawline. And blend. Maz, that looks beautiful. Do you guys see that it's just, this light's tricky, but you're coming down and around and down, and then you want some shape on the jawline there. But that looks absolutely gorgeous. And then I love this wee brush. This is a wee Space NK brush, powder brush. And you just pull that bronze down each side of the nose as well. So we've got our tricks of light brings forward and dark now recedes. Blush. I am going to use, keeping with the eyes, which I'll finish up in a wee minute. Ballet again, and on, off. See all that product that's on my hand now that would have been on Maz's face. Now, I couldn't have done anything if I'd put that on. It would be too much. It's a lovely wee slant brush, little cheek brush, and just pop your colour on, off. There we go. And then I want to pop that colour, so I'm going to go back into taffeta, on, off, and just pop that cheek. And close for me, please. See how soft it is. This has become Old Faithful, and then just get straight in and smoke that out. Now remember, Maz is going to have eyelashes on as well, so this is just so everything is seamless. This isn't we're not going for perfect eyeliner here, because that's going to be glued and be bound anyway with the eyelashes. Some naughty sticky on ones. Right, open your eyes for me, please. And close. Lovely. And look right up for me, please. See, so if there's any bit extra concealer that's not quite blended through, yes, then's your opportunity. And just bring this lovely pencil all along. And I'm going to put some of this into the waterline, so if you could look right up for me. And this is just going to just roll along here. Okay. With a little bit of pretty pink under there also. And we're making it smoky browns and pinks. I'm going to use Opal, which is in fact an eyeshadow, but it's just divine. And you just want to come on the top of the cheek, round into the top of the cheekbone, I should say. Sorry, you guys. and round into the temple. Isn't that gorgeous? Do you see that already? It's like glass. It's absolutely stunning. Do you ever use products in different areas like blusher as eyeshadow or eyeshadow as highlight?
I used to use an eyeshadow actually as a highlighter as well.
And a little shot over the Cupid's bow, the light hits and it'll make the lips look fuller. Oh, Maz, that looks so pretty. Can you just turn your head that way for me, please? Look at that. It's like glass. That's beautiful. Lip liner? There we go. See how that light, you can see it already. That little bit of opal, the highlighter eyeshadow that we used. See how it brings that top lip forward. And then Maz likes to just have a little bit more here. So this is real pretty and very, very light for Maz. We normally have you in like quite a dark lip, don't we? So this is very different. It looks very pretty. Do you know what it reminds me of? Like quite 1960s. You know that lovely look they used to just do with concealer and really matte out the lips. This is so pretty. It's a gorgeous pale pink. And let's get that on there. Oh, look at that. It's like candy floss. Those lips look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, Duo Lash Adhesive, which is my very favourite. Little corner lashes, and we're just going to close, please, Maz. Just pop them on there, like so. And then the next one, and we're just going to pop that into the glue and pop that onto the lashes like so. These are great, you guys, if you are not used to the full strip, because sometimes, however skilled you are, you can put one bit and this pops up, and then you try to sit and you stick this bit and this pops up. So save yourself the heartache. So glue on the binding straight onto the eye. And that is so much easier than struggling, you folks. There we are. There we are.
5 minutes. Yeah.
So I hope you learned some tips and tricks. And you got some good advice about the eyelashes, doing them in segments rather than all in one. What do you think of your makeup and your look tonight?
Love it.
You look
Yeah.
absolutely beautiful.
Looks lush. Thank you very much.
Do you like your hair?
Yes. Love
Happy
the hair.
girl, that's what we like to hear. Thank you so much as always for tuning in and watching, and I will be seeing you guys real soon.